Good afternoon. The Supreme Court en banc, during its session today, August 20, 2024, acted on the following. First, the case of Datu Sajid v. S. Sinsuat et al. Versus Honorable Ahod Balawag Ibrahim in his capacity as Interim Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Government and Bangsamoro Transition Authority. Petitioners challenge Bangsamoro Autonomy Acts number 54 and 55, which created the municipalities of Datu Sinsuat Balabaran and Sheikh Abbas Hamza from the municipality of Datu Odin Sinsuat Maguindanao del Norte. Petitioners also challenge Bangsamoro Autonomy Act number 53, which created the municipality of Nuling from the municipality of Sultan Kudarat. COMELEC had earlier issued resolutions numbers 11011 and 11012, setting the plebiscite to ratify the creation of the three new municipalities on September 7 and 21, 2024. The court, in a unanimous decision, partially granted the petitions. It declared unconstitutional Section 5 in Bangsamoro Autonomy Act numbers 53, 54, and 55, which states, qualified voters in a plebiscite to be conducted in the barangays comprising the municipality pursuant to Section 2 hereof. Section 5 allows only the qualified voters of the barangays comprising the new municipalities to vote in the plebiscite. The court ruled that qualified voters from both the new and the mother municipalities should be included in the plebiscite. The prayer for injunctive relief is also granted. Accordingly, a final prohibitory injunction is issued effective immediately. Respondent COMELEC is enjoined to desist from holding plebiscites on September 7 and 21, 2024, and from performing any and all acts related to the ratification of Bangsamoro Autonomy Acts numbers 53, 54, and 55. Next, in the case of Michael L. Rama versus the Ombudsman, the petition asks the court to declare as unconstitutional Section 24 of Republic Act number 6770, or the Ombudsman Act of 1989, and Section O, Rule 3 of Administrative Order number 7, or the Rules of Procedure of the Office of the Ombudsman as amended, as they apply to elective local officials such as Mayor Rama. The petition also asks the court to vacate the Ombudsman order placing Mayor Rama under preventive suspension. The court required the respondents to file their comment to the petition and prayer for TRO within a non-extendable period of 10 days from notice. Next, regarding the report on the arrest of an employee of Branch 108, Regional Trial Court, Pasay City, for accepting $6 million from a litigant in exchange for a favorable judgment in a civil case. The court previously ordered the preventive suspension of Judge Albert T. Cancino and Officer in Charge, Acting Branch Clerk of Court, Marijoy P. Lagman, both of Branch 108 RTC Pasay City, for allegedly accepting $6 million from a litigant in exchange for a favorable judgment in a civil case. The court adopted the recommendation of the Judicial Integrity Board and extended the preventive suspension while the case is pending. Lastly, regarding the guidelines on submission of electronic copies of pleadings and other court submissions being filed before the lower courts, the court approved the guidelines to facilitate the transition to electronic filing as the primary mode of filing pleadings before first and second level courts. Starting September 1, 2024, no trial court shall act upon any pleading unless it is accompanied by an electronic transmittal through email. I will be holding a separate press conference on this. The full text of the guidelines shall be uploaded to the Supreme Court website once the Supreme Court Public Information Office receives a copy from the Supreme Court en banc. A copy of the available pleadings in the cases I have mentioned will likewise be uploaded at the public pleading section of the Supreme Court website. Thank you very much.